Everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video I show South Africa Daily Lotto prediction for Friday 27 March 2026. Today's Daily Lotto single prediction numbers: number 9, number 16, number 17, number 28, number 32. Today's Daily Lotto single prediction number, repeat, number 9, number 16, number 17, number 28, number 32. Now SA Daily Lotto second prediction numbers: number 2, number 10, number 21, number 34, number 35. Today SA Daily Lotto second prediction number, repeat, number 2, number 10, number 28, number 34, number 35. So friends, complete today South Africa Daily Lotto prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for next notification. Please hi my